Frank Sonnenberg says you don't win a debate by suppressing a discussion, you win it by a better argument.
Ryan International School Khaga is set to host the prestigious Frank Anthony Memorial All India Inter-School Debate Competition for the year 2024.
This annual event is organized by the Indian School Certificate Examinations Council.
Talented students from 5 renowned schools across the country will converse to showcase their debating skills.
Come, let's take a look.
Extracting resources from other planets and exploring new worlds is not a viable solution.
In our solar system, there are many uninhabitable planets, but scientists are discovering new technologies which can make the planet habitable, and we can extract many resources from it.
How do debates and discussion help students in holistic development?
See, debating is not only about speaking, it's about the personality development of a child, which make them confident to fight in this world which is running so hard, and they have to face a bit competition in every field. So this helps them to showcase their talent, their ideas, so that they can become more confident.
Discussion and debate gives you opportunities to first of all think and clarify your own thoughts, then to put them out, to put it out in the world, and also to be ready to accept that somebody might not agree with you. It opens your mind to different perspectives, that this thing that I have been always thinking about, somebody else might have a different perspective. So it makes you a better human being. And of course, on a physical level, it helps you put your thoughts into words, which in today's world is very important. You may think of a lot of things, you may plan to do a lot of things, but when you speak, you are able to put it out there for the world to understand.
Debates are essential for you to start thinking. The first and primary most reason you have debates is that you think from both the sides, from the pros and the cons, for and against. So that is how you develop your thinking skills, your oratory skills, you can to frame sentences. This is how debates help a student in the overall cognitive.
Ma'am, your message to the Rhinites?
Do well, you are already doing well, and you have a very good name around, and keep doing this.
Rhinites have been a very, very hospitable bunch. I think the council members do a splendid job, and right from the first step till the last national anthem, they took care of things. So they have to understand that these are very big opportunities and make the most of it. And once you're out of the school also, remember what the school has given you and always be there for the school later also.
Find more such ways where you can explore your talent, to not just in debates but also to speak in public platforms, which will enhance your skills about reading, researching, which is what is missing currently. You need to know to differentiate how to speak, how to present it, and how to make sense of the words that you're saying. So this is what I would like the Rhinites to find more ways to explore this talent.
Congratulations! How are you feeling after winning the debate competition?
I'm feeling really great. I'm feeling very excited and happy. It was a great learning experience, and you really understood your capabilities with this debate, so it was a great experience.
It's a very different feeling. It was an amazing experience for us. It was the first time I've done a Frank Anthony debate, and the hospitality was also awesome. and the topic was a bit sudden, but we got through it. Everyone had different interpretations, different questions, and we all got through it, and it went really well.
I feel awesome today, and it's like all because of my teacher. The prep debates that she made us do, all of the hard work that is being done for the past 2-3 weeks, and I was really confident at this point, and it's all because of her. She developed that confidence in us, stage fear, she removed it all, and it was honestly too good. And I would really thank your council because they did such a great job.
I am feeling very confident and I will prepare well for the next round.
We would like to thank our esteemed judges for evaluating the participants' performances and selecting the best among the best.
Over 10 students engaged in the debate on thought-provoking ideas, aiming to impress the judges and the audiences alike.
A hearty congratulations to the winners and all the best for your future endeavors. On that note, this is YJ Sharon Bhatnagar
And this is YJ Surya Singh
along with YJ Sparshi Maheshwari
and YJ Sayantani Chaudhary signing off from Ryan International School, Khaga.
for Young Journals on Ryan TV.